Oh, 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 yellow, oh, yellow, oh.
Okay, I ain't got no worries though. Kill him like Laterio. Got all these looking heads turning like America. If you ain't what you coming for? If you ain't, then you gotta go. Cause I ain't got no time. Got this money all on my mind, so don't kill my vibe. Why you look so surprised? I do this all the time. You can tell by my grind.
Keep medication. Been a long time coming now, but hooping bear my reputation. Don't worry about me, I'm fine. The shot I got is mine. I'ma have it on the sideline screaming, shouting. Word. Kill him like Laterio. Kill him like Laterio. Block cool shit. Hey. Just be happy for the kid, dawg. Just be happy for the kid, dawg. For the other shit you talking on the shit, nigga. Just be happy for the kid, dawg. Just be happy for the kid, dawg. Just be happy for the kid, dawg. For the other shit you talking on the shit, nigga. Just be happy for the kid, dawg. One. Just be happy for the kid, dawg. Drug test coming, but I still smoke. Roll up, the bitches gonna pull up. Slick, coolin' nigga, bout to turn up. Been in Houston for a minute, now I'm back in town. They love to talk about you when you're not around. Late night conversation with the great one. He told me keep grinding, you the chosen one. Do it for the vine, do it for the glide.